So today we're going to make banana treats, and this is fairly simple. You need basically a banana or multiple bananas, an air fryer, and a thing of cinnamon. And I suggest you don't cut the bananas too thin. This, good size. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these bananas, or this banana, in the air fryer. Just space them out, doesn't matter how far. Doesn't really have to be too far, but make sure they're not touching each other. Tell you, these things are so delicious. How do I know? I've made them before. Now, what I have not tried is I haven't tried using like wax paper and making layers of it, but. And so what you want to do is just sprinkle some cinnamon on top of these banana slices. Remember, like most spices, cinnamon don't really have any calories, so it doesn't really matter how much you put on it. But make sure you put a coat of cinnamon on them so the top is cooked. Now you will not have to flip them over. Once these are done, you'll get to enjoy the deep, rich flavor of what's going to come of these. Yes, good, very good. All right, so I'm going to go throw these in the air fryer for about 3 to 8 minutes. I'll be right back. We're going to do a quick taste test. Okay, look at that. Now, I've already had these before because I've made them before. And this is about 5 minutes. So what happens is that you cook it in the air fryer and it's still moist inside. See that steam coming off that? You put it on your tongue, it's almost a taste of paradise. Whew. And you have to be careful because sometimes you eat them all and not even realize it. So I'm going to try this one. I'm going to put a little bit of organic honey on it. Which I'm just curious what's going to happen. I'll put just a tad bit of honey on this. Oh, sweet Jesus. Not only does it taste delicious with the cinnamon. Now you have to watch out for the honey because even this honey is 60 grams per tablespoon. But the banana by itself, with that cinnamon on it, and it's that mild, warm taste that you eat. Now this hasn't really been sitting long. Oh. Very healthy treats that you can give your kids or yourself without having the chips, cupcakes, all this other. Oh. See, what I'm doing is I'm developing banana syndrome, which is a uncontrollable desire to keep sticking your hand in the air fryer and keep eating them, because what makes it so good is that the banana is not dried out. It's really moist and warm. And when you put it in your mouth, it's almost like butter. And it just melts. Oh, and the honey doesn't hurt at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, This is opposite. See, I often buy bananas. 90% of the time, the bananas go bad. So I was wondering a way. I had to come up with a way to use the bananas before they became a byproduct of the trash can, which I find extremely wasteful. And you'll notice that I'm not a fan of wasting food at all. If you can find creative ways of using it before wasting it, vacuum sealing, deep freezer. I got 2 of those. But this is a healthy snack that you can give your kids or yourself if you got that need to. Oh God, this is really good. So this is Cooking with Ron banana treats. Now I've not tried it in a conventional oven, but about 5 to 8 minutes, depends on how moist you want the bananas, and depending on the air fryer. 5 minutes to do it. Absolutely mouth watering. I mean, I could be completely toothless and just throw this on the tip of my tongue, and it just dissolves. Until next time, family, live long, live healthy, and enjoy life. See you soon. Take care.